Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2016 set 2 question number 3. The minimum number of colors that is sufficient to vertex color any planar graph is dash. During lecture I already discussed 4 color theorem. According to 4 color theorem, for any planar graph maximum number of colors required is 4. So for any planar graph chromatic number can be maximum 4. So it can be less than equals to 4. Now in this question it is asking minimum number of color. So minimum it can be 1, but here it's written for any planar graph. We don't know what planar graph it is. So that's why answer will be 4. So for any planar graph, number of colors required equals to 4. Here minimum written just to increase the complexity of the question, but in case of planar graph, maximum number of colors required is 4. So here answer will be 4. If any graph is mentioned, we can say कि minimum color required equals to 1 or 2 by seeing that planar graph. But here graph is not mentioned. It is just asking any planar graph. For any planar graph, it can be 4. I already discussed planar graph during graph theory lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.